What is the solid angle subtended by an entire sphere at its own center? Angle visualization, no problem. Angle measurement, induced symmetry. Sir, the symmetry is already there. It's a sphere. Perfect. What is the formula for solid angle? When the symmetry is established, very simple. The solid angle subtended by the sphere would be the area of whatever you're talking about upon radius square. Are you sure? 100%. Can you please tell me, what is the area of the entire surface of the sphere? 4 pi r square. Perfect. 4 pi r square divided by radius square, r square. R square and r square gets cancelled. We get 4 pi. First of all, is the math part okay? Because math part is not the, it's just the tip of the iceberg. The crux lies in the interpretation of what you have just received. Is the math part okay? So you have written 4 pi SR. What is SR? SR is short for steradian. Even if you don't write anything, sometimes it's okay. It's understood. Okay? Alright. Now the interpretation. What does it mean? You ready? Ready, sir. Imagine a charge at the center. Imagine the charge Q placed at the central point and draw lines of forces coming out of that particular charge. Do you agree that the diagram will look like as I am drawing? Yes, sir. Do you also agree? I'm about to make a very bold statement. Listen carefully. Any electric line of force. Okay, stop writing. Any electric line of force stemming from the charge Q, in order to go into the world, has to cross the sphere. I'll repeat. Any electric line of force emanating, emitting, starting, stemming, originating from charge Q, in order to reach the world or the space or the universe, must cross the sphere. Point number one. Let's say it differently. Whatever Q produces, entire thing is received by the sphere. That's also correct, sir. Point number three. Was the radius of the sphere given? No. Answer carefully. Was the radius of the sphere given? Oh, of course not. So I assumed it. Why don't I assume a bigger sphere? Assume it even bigger. Assume it. Doesn't matter, sir. Why? Because whatever the radius is going to get cancelled. Aha. So a microscopic radius or a infinite radius, the solid angle will be what? 4 pi. Guess what? We just measured space. Yeah. We just measured space. What do you mean? When somebody goes a full circle, no matter what the radius of the circle is, what is the angular range you covered? 2 pi radians, correct? Correct. That means going in a circle, covering a plane is angularly equivalent to what? 2 pi radians. So covering the space, covering the three-dimensional universe is mathematically measured as what? 4 pi steradian. Total space in 3 dimensions can be understood as 4 pi steradian. You cannot have a bigger solid angle value than this. Understood, na? Understood. Brilliant. Brilliant, sir.